My name is Susan Thompson. I'm an occupational therapist and a Tai Chi instructor. I am the daughter of a narcissistic mother, and I've only recently grown to understand what that means to me and my development, my relationships, the way I see and perceive the world, but also what that does to me as a person when I'm trying to really survive or muddle through the relationship. And I know of that sickening feeling in your stomach when you're going to have to talk to this person, or the trembling fear inside, even as an adult, that you feel when your own mother or parent goes into the narcissistic rage. I know the frustration of knowing in our very fiber of our being that we should be able to overcome this. And yet it's such a triggered response that we can't seem to make it stop. I know the pit in the stomach. I know the feelings of anxiety. I know the feelings of frustration, of confusion from the gaslighting, of the different realities that you experience from what other people experience when they interact with your narcissistic parent versus when you interact with your narcissistic parent. So I decided that I really needed to put a course together for teaching Tai Chi to help ameliorate, grow through, and have some coping mechanisms to deal with all of that stuff that comes with having this person, this toxic person in your life and protecting yourself. And why? Well, I found that when I started doing Tai Chi, I began to feel calmer, I began to blossom, I began to have a quiet understanding of my own value. And I also started to develop boundaries without having to go through a ton of angst or go through tons of therapy or gut-wrenching memories. This gentle art of Tai Chi, this beautiful movement, started to make changes from the inside out. And it also makes changes on a chemical level, which I'll explain to you in this course, which promotes better health and a better sense of being, of balance, of seeing the world in a different sort of way, which then allows you to react in a more balanced way. So this course, I'm going to focus on some qualities of Tai Chi. Now, you're not going to become a master of Tai Chi in this course, or Qigong. The first part of this will be Qigong. But rather, what I'm going to do is try to impart to you some of the inherent qualities of Qigong and Tai Chi that will help you to be able to better cope with, protect yourself, both emotionally and even physically in an environment of dealing with someone who is a toxic or abusive personality. So in our next video, I'm going to describe these 5 qualities. And then after that, I'm going to try to get you moving right away. And so that you're feeling these qualities and practicing them through this metaphor that really applies to a perspective in how to live your life and how to value yourself, love yourself, and in doing so, protecting yourself. So thank you for giving this course a try. I really do appreciate it. But more than that, I hope that you find that this helps you, that the next time you have a challenge with this toxic person in your life, or you're experiencing the anxieties or the package that goes with this relationship, that you can just take a moment and go through these movements and understand what they're bringing to you. And in doing so, you will have better coping mechanisms, you'll feel stronger, you'll feel bigger, you'll feel more value, self-value, and you'll be able to come out at the other end of that relationship or that interaction on top. So thanks for joining me, and I truly look forward to sharing these concepts with you.